Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to speed up Windows startup with Autoruns step by step. Autoruns is a powerful Microsoft Sysinternals tool that helps you identify and disable unnecessary startup items, allowing Windows to boot faster and use fewer system resources. So let's get started. First, open Autoruns on your Windows computer and run it with administrator privileges if prompted. Wait while the application scans your system and loads all startup entries from locations such as Logon, Services, Scheduled Tasks, and other Windows startup areas. Next, click the Logon tab to review programs that launch when you sign into Windows. Yeah, you can also check other tabs if you want to inspect services, scheduled tasks, or additional startup components that may affect boot performance. Now carefully review each startup item by checking the publisher, image path, and description columns. I mean, look for applications that you rarely use or don't need running every time your computer starts. Before making changes, be sure you understand what each entry does. To disable a non-essential startup item, simply clear the checkbox next to it. This prevents the program from launching automatically without uninstalling it, so you can easily enable it again later if needed. Avoid disabling Microsoft or Windows system components unless you're certain they're safe to turn off. After making your changes, restart your computer and observe the startup time. If Windows boots faster and everything works normally, you've successfully optimized your startup configuration, and that's it. You now know how to speed up Windows startup with Autoruns by safely disabling unnecessary startup items. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Hey everyone!